Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to create your initial map, your first map for the Yeedi M16 Infinity. If you're interested in the M16, the link to it will be in the video description. We also have links to our top robot vacuum picks, our top wet dry vacuum picks, and our top cordless vacuum picks. And we keep track daily to bring you the best vacuum deals daily. So make sure to check out our vacuum deals site as well. So we're in the Yeedi app right here. Here's our M16. We're going to select enter to enter into it. And from here, we're taken to the main overview where front and center, we can map our home. That's going to be the button that you want to press. If for some reason you can't see that, top right-hand corner, hit the settings gear icon. And we're going to scroll down to the map settings option. Make sure you have multi-floor mode enabled. And then down here, you can see map your home. So you have a map your home button. So go ahead and do that. And that's going to be how you can create your first map. So map your home, follow the tips and tricks, place the station where you want it, open up all the doors to all the rooms you want mapped. You get the idea. And then go ahead and hit start mapping. It will go out, it will start to create your map. It'll take probably anywhere between 5 and 10 minutes, depending on how large your environment is. All right, it just finished mapping and returned back to the station. Take a look here. It's got all of our rooms. Everything laid out very nicely and accurately, I may add. Now, room 1 right here, that's actually going down stairs. So the part that doesn't have the line, so you can't actually go in there. I'm impressed it can map that far, but we see that with a lot of vacuums. So room 1 technically isn't a room, but we can get there. Anyways, so with our map made, now we can look. So you can see I'm selecting rooms, but we can look on the right-hand side. We have our little map icon. We can select that. And now here we can customize our map if needed. So we have different area names. We can add virtual boundaries, divide or combine rooms, add furniture. We can take our wall, right? So we can take an exterior wall and we can extend it. If we wanted to move that wall out, basically up to 10 feet, we could do that, which is pretty cool. So you have that option there. Then we can adjust floor material, we can adjust carpet settings, we can add threshold ramps, and then we can also delete an area. If I wanted to delete room 1, I could do that there in the map. So that's what you get. That's how you create a map, and then you can see quickly some of the map editing options once it's created that you can fine tune and tweak it to get it exactly as you need. If it's still not right, go ahead, delete the map, and then create another map and see if that's any better for what you're trying to accomplish.